Hey everyone, it's Sam the Credit Frog, and recently I received my United Gateway card in the mail, so I want to do this quick unboxing video for you guys to show you exactly what this card looks like. Now, if you've been following my channel, you know that I did a recent video about why I product changed to this card from the United Explorer card, so if you haven't checked the video out yet, I'll leave a link to that video up top, as well as down in the description below. And before we get started, make sure to give this video a like to let me know you like this kind of content, subscribe to my channel down below, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our weekly content. So this is the card here. You can see it came in a plain white envelope. I didn't really expect it to come in any kind of a special box because it is a no annual fee card, but that's what the envelope looks like. And so just as full disclosure, as always, I did open the envelope beforehand just to make sure I could block out some personal information. And so without further ado, let's go ahead and open up this envelope and see what's inside. So you can see here it says, first, welcome to your United credit card. I'll bring up to that closer so you can see it. The number of cards is 1, and it has a credit access line of $40,000 with a cash access line of $2,000. And again, this is a product change card, so I had the $40,000 already on the Explorer card, so that's to have no surprise. So we're going to go ahead and unbox this card on the count of 3. 3, 2, 1, and there it is. So this is the United Gateway card. I'm going to take it off of the paper now, and you can see that it's a silver looking card. It has a very metallic flair to it, but it isn't actually a metal card, it's actually plastic. So how we go closer to kind of see it up close and personal. What's really cool about this card is actually that at the front here, it looks very modern and sleek. I like how Chase does not put any of the embossed numbers on the front and just leaves the name on the front to make it nice and modern looking. If you look at the side of the card, you can kind of see that it's blue on the side, which I think gives it a little bit of color, which is a really cool effect. And you can see on the back of the card here that it has nothing of much significance. You can see that the card number would be back here, as well as the expiration date, the Visa signature logo, as well as the contactless symbol. And so that's what the card looks like. Again, got that Chase logo up top here and the United logo on the top right as well. So put this down here also, and we'll go ahead and put this to the side and see what else comes in the envelope. So here you can see that it has a card here that says managing your credit should be simple, and kind of goes over to Chase app and chase.com website where you can pay your bill, monitor your account, and also view your credit score. There's also a guide to benefits, which is pretty long and detailed, so you can use that as some nighttime reading whenever you have a chance. But I do want to go over the first couple of pages in this United Gateway card membership guide. It tells you a little bit about this no annual fee card. There really isn't a lot of benefits to this card just because it's a no annual fee card, but let's go ahead and open this guy up. So you can see here that it says welcome to the United Gateway card. This brochure will help you get the most from your United Gateway card. And you can see on the side here where it says rewards, it kind of tells you in specific what it really gets. So your way to earn miles on vacations, you get 2x miles on United purchases, where you earn 2 miles for each $1 spent on purchases from United, including tickets, Economy Plus, in-flight food, beverages, and Wi-Fi, baggage service charges, and other United fees. The second 2x category you have is the 2x miles at gas stations, which is pretty simple. Earn 2 miles for each $1 spent at gas stations. And then you also get 2x miles on local transit and commuting. And Chase has a pretty broad category for transit, so you earn 2 miles for each $1 spent on local transit and commuting, including rideshare services, taxi cabs, train tickets, tolls, and mass transit, among other things. It also gives you 1 mile per dollar spent on all other purchases, and so you can also take a look at that as well. But those are the multipliers for this particular card. The main benefit, and I think the main draw of this card, is not only the no annual fee portion, but also how it gets you no foreign transaction fees. You can see right here. And so that's actually really cool for a no annual fee card. I really do like it when a Visa card has no foreign transaction fees, because it can be a very useful card when traveling abroad. Of course, it's a United card, so you get 25% off on in-flight purchases, including food, beverages, and Wi-Fi on board United operated flights when you pay with your Gateway card. The last benefit I want to point out here is that it does give you access to the Luxury Hotel and Resort Collection, which is really nice for a no annual fee card. Basically, when you book through that collection, you can get complimentary card benefits, including a daily breakfast for 2, a special amenity unique to each property, such as a lunch or dinner for 2, a spa treatment, green fees, welcome gift or airport transfers, complimentary Wi-Fi, room upgrade, and or early check-in and late checkout. So that's really the card itself. Again, this is a pretty short video because this really is a no annual fee card. Again, I'll just kind of put it out to the screen so you can see it one more time. Again, I think the main draw of this card is the no annual fee plus it being a Visa card right here and having no foreign transaction fees. And for me, this card is one of my older cards, so it'll be really nice to increase my average age of accounts as I apply for more cards, and also holds a pretty nice credit limit, so it can really lower my credit utilization as I move forward with spending more money on different cards. So thanks so much for staying to the end of the video. As always, if you have any questions, I'll be happy to answer them in the comments. I hope you all have a great day, and I'll see you guys in the next video.